I'm Miss Bush.
Hi, I'm Ms. Holmes, and today's objectives, students will be able to create and solve a simple multiplication sentence.
And there are 6 steps that you need to know to solve a multiplication sentence. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
So for this activity, you can either do it yourself or do it with a partner. And Miss Holmes is my partner today. So first step is we are going to write a multiplication sentence with blank lines for the numbers. Now you can choose to do it on your paper, or you can choose to do it on a dry erase board. We want to do it on a dry erase board because that's kind of fun sometimes. So I remember that a multiplication sentence has a line for a number, and then there's a multiplication sign. Another number goes there with an equal sign, and that's where the answer goes. So this is step 1 with your multiplication sentence. Step 2 is we are going to flip or choose a number. Now we have either playing cards or your dice that's right before you, but we chose playing cards. So step 2 is we are going to flip a number and write that number in the blank. So we're going to take turns. I'll go first. My number is a number 3. So I'm going to write that number 3 in the first blank. Now it's your turn, Miss Holmes.
Okay, let's see what I get. I got a number 2.
Yay! Where should I write that number, Miss Holmes?
You're going to write it right here after the multiplication sign.
And I write that 2 right there. Now step 4 is we're going to draw an array to solve the problem. You can either do that with a dry erase marker or you have counting chips in front of you. We're going to do a dry erase marker. So I remember that this number is the number of circles that goes down, and the second number is the number that tells me how many go across in my array. And an array has rows and columns. That's my step number 4, and we're going to count.
Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And step number 5 says to write the product in after the equal sign.
So we counted here that we have 6 arrays. So we're going to write 6. 3 times 2 equals 6.
Oh wait, I learned a way last week that we could do this, and that is by counting by the number in each row. So we could also count 2, 4, 6, and the product is still 6. So our multiplication sentence says, let's read it together.
3 times 2 equals 6.
Step number 6 is we're going to write our entire multiplication sentence on our brain catcher. So we're going to write 3 times 2, don't forget the equal sign, equals 6. And that's it. 6 steps to creating and solving a simple multiplication sentence. Well done. Enjoy.
Enjoy.